Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn mean in continuous series by shortcut method. The formula for this method is mean is equals to a plus sigma f dx upon sigma f, where a that means assume mean. Next is sigma f dx. Sigma f dx that means sum of the product of f and dx. That is f and dx product and then summation. Last one is sigma f. Sigma f that is sum of all frequencies. We are having a question related to this method. Problem number 1. Calculate mean from the following data. Data is given here. Class interval that is 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130, 130 to 140, 140 to 150, and 150 to 160. Respective frequencies are given over here. For first class interval that is 2, second that is 5, for third class interval that is 8, 10, 4, and for the last class interval that is 150 to 160 that is 1. 1 is the frequency for the last one. Now what we have to do, we have to draw a table like this, and we have to post all the class intervals given in the question in this way, and all the frequencies given in the question this way. Next step, what we have to do, we have to find out mid value, that is x, from each and every class interval what we are having over here. That is 100 plus 110 divided by 2, that is 105. Next one is 110 plus 120, that it will be 115, and 125, so on 135, 145, and last one is 155. We are having different frequencies over here, and we have already find out x, that is mid value from the here. We have to take assume means from this mid value, that is from x. I am going to take a over here, that is 125, and dx it will be x minus a. Now we have to find out dx, that is x minus a, or for the same what we have to do, we have to subtract 105 from 125, that is minus 20. Again 115 minus 125, that is minus 10. Again 125 minus 125, that is 0. Again 135 minus 125, that is 10. Next is 20. Next is 30. Now what we have to find out? Now we have to find out f dx, that is multiplication of or product of frequency and dx. We are having frequency from the question itself like this, and dx we are having over here. What we have to calculate now, we have to find out frequency, product of frequency and dx, that is 2 multiplied by minus 20, it will be minus 40. Next is 5 into minus 10, that is minus 50. Next is 0. Next is 10 into 10, that is 100. Next is 20 into 4, that is 80. Next is 30 into 1, that is 30. Now we have to find out sigma f and sigma f dx. Sigma f, sum total of these all frequencies over here, and it will be 30. Now we have to find out these two negative values, it is minus 90, and these three positive values, 100 plus 80 plus 30, that is 210. 210 minus 90, that is 120. Now we have to apply formula what we are having over here. that is a plus sigma f dx, f dx upon sigma f. A, we have assumed 25 as A plus sigma f dx. Sigma f dx, we have taken 120 over here. We have to put over 120 over here. Next is f sigma f, that is 30, and next step is 25 plus 120 divided by 30, that is 4, equals to 29, or we can say that mean is equals to 29. Sorry, what we have taken over here? We have taken 125 over here. So 125 we have to put, not the 25. So it will be 129 and 129 as our answer. Assumption mean or assume mean is 125, not 25. So we have to got the answer as 129. Students, we are having one more question related to this same method. This is problem number 2. We have to calculate a mean marks of 40 students from the following data, that is class interval we are having, frequencies we are having, class interval we are having 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and so on till 70. Frequencies we are having, respective frequencies are 5, 3, 10, 12, 8 and 2. What we have to do? We have to draw a table, and we have to find out dx, and one more column we should have over here. It will be f dx. So class interval we are having 10 to 20 and so on. Frequency we are having, so we have the frequency in the same manner. Now we have to find out mid value, that is 10 plus 20, that is 30, 30 divided by 2, it will be 15. Next is 20 plus 30, that is 50, 50 divided by 2, that is 25. And next one is 35, then 45, then 55, last one is 65. We have to find out dx. For dx we have to assume a value from mid values or from the x. I am going to take 35 as mid value, as assume mean. So we have to find out x minus a dx as x minus a dx is equals to x minus a. So what we have to do? We have to subtract these mid values from 35. First one is 15, 15 minus 35, that is 20. Next is 25 minus 35, that is 10. Next is 0, again 10. Upper values will be negative as 35 is having greater sign. Next is 20 and 30. Now we have to multiply f and dx, that is frequency with this dx. Now 5 into minus 20, that is minus 100. 3 into minus 10, that is minus 30. Next is 0. Next is 120. Next is 160. Next is 60. We have to find out f dx. f dx and sigma f. Sigma f, it will be 40 as it is given over here, 40 students. Now we are having two negative value, that is 130, that is it will be minus 130, and positive we are having 120, 160 and 60, that is 340. 340 are the positive values. Now we have to subtract this. It will be 210. 210 will be the sigma f dx. Now we will apply this formula. Over here, mean is equals to a plus f dx upon sigma f. Here again, now we have taken 35 as a, that is assume mean is 35, and f sigma f dx we are having 210, sigma f we are having 40. You may use your calculator to find out these values. 35 plus 21 divided by 4, 0 and 0 will be cancelled, and 21 will be divisible by 4, it will be 5.25. 5.25. So mean will be 40.25 answer. So students, if you are having any query related to this question or this method, you may post in the comment section or you may ask to me. Thank you.